The story of the British gentlemen at their scientific eccentricities is not irrelevant. It was such men who made nature romantic. The romantic movement in poetry came step by step with them. We see it in poets like Goethe, who was also a scientist, in men like Beethoven. We see it first of all in Wordsworth. The sight of nature as a new quickening of the spirit, because the unity in it was immediate to the heart and mind. Wordsworth had come through here in 1790 when he had been drawn to the continent by the French Revolution. And in 1798 he said in Tintern Abbey what could not be said better. Nature then to me was all in all. I cannot paint what then I was. The sounding cataract haunted me like a passion. Nature then to me was all in all. Joule never said it as well as that. But he did say the grand agents of nature are indestructible. And he meant the same thing.